Hi, now let's take a look at question 21. For question 21, we have a glass jar that is fitted with a metal lid. And what happens is that we cannot remove the lid from the jar. So most likely the lid is fitted too tightly to the jar. So in this case, we want to find the most suitable option to allow us to remove the lid from the jar. So if I want to remove the lid, what should I do? There are two ways to go about it. I can make the lid bigger or I can make the glass jar smaller. Now what do I mean by bigger and smaller? It means that I want the metal lid to either expand or the glass jar to contract. So when it comes to expansion and contraction, what science topic comes to mind? Heat, energy. So in this case, if we want the metal lid to expand, this means that we want the metal lid to gain heat. And this will cause an increase in volume. So for the glass jar, if I want the glass jar to contract, this means that we want the glass jar to lose heat, to contract, and decrease in volume. So in this case, let us take a look at our options to see whether we can get the metal lid to gain heat to expand or the glass jar to lose heat and contract. So for option 1, we can place the metal lid in ice water. Now we know that ice water is cooler than the metal lid. So what is going to happen when the metal lid is placed in ice water? The key concept over here is that heat energy travels from a warmer region to a cooler region. As such, when the metal lid is placed in the ice water, the warmer metal lid is going to lose heat to the ice water to contract. Do we want that to happen? No, we want the metal lid to gain heat and expand. As such, option 1 is not correct. Let's take a look at option 2. For option 2, place the metal lid in hot water. This time, hot water is warmer than the metal lid, thus, the metal lid will be able to gain heat from the hot water to expand. As such, a possible answer would be option 2. Now let's take a look at option 3. We can place ice cubes on the metal lid only. So what happens when I place ice cubes on the metal lid? The warmer metal lid once again will lose heat to the cooler ice cubes to contract. Do we want that to happen? No, we want the metal lid to expand. Now for option 4, there are two parts. Let's take a look at the first part. Place the glass jar in hot water. So this time, hot water is warmer than the glass jar. So the cooler glass jar is going to gain heat from the hot water to expand. Do we want the glass jar to expand? No. If the glass jar expands, it will be fitted more tightly to the lid, making it harder to remove. As such, we do not want to place the glass jar in hot water. Now, for the second part, wrap the metal lid with cold water. Once again, the metal lid will lose heat to the cold water to contract, which is not what we want either. As such, we can eliminate option 4, leaving us with option 2 as our correct answer. So let us recap what happens when we place the metal lid in hot water. The metal lid will gain heat from the hot water to expand, increasing in volume. As such, the metal lid will be fitted more loosely to the glass jar, allowing it to be removed the most easily. So our answer will be 2. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up. If you want to check out the other videos we have made, do click on the links on the right hand side. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!